Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about how to wipe Incognito browser history. So right now I'm using an iPhone devices. Even though this video is about Android devices, the process is basically the same. So the first thing I want to do right now is go to your settings, because our target right here would be checking if our phone has the latest version of software available. If you're Android, make sure you have the latest version of Galaxy available. If for iPhone, you have the latest version of iOS. So basically go to General right there and go to Software Update. And as you can see right here, I have no pending update. I still have the latest version of iOS on my end. If you're using Android, make sure you don't have any pending updates on your end as well. You have the latest version of Android if your phone moving forward. Alright? So next up, open up your Chrome browser here. And as you can see, I already have my Chrome for Incognito. Alright? So to get to Incognito, just click on the three dots right there and make sure click on New Incognito tab. Alright? Now once you're here, type in this URL. That would be chrome colon dash dash net dash internals. So once you're here, as you can see, it's currently under maintenance right now since they're fixing it. However, I was given the chance to take a screenshot while it was still working a few days ago because I already tried this one. So I took a screenshot on my phone while it was still working. So this is how it should look like. Click the DNS and click on clear host cache. You'll be good to go. Alright? And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.